Good morning, everybody.
Portuguese, bom dia.
Bom dia.
Bom dia, everyone. May buntag, may hapon.
Magandang
Good morning,
umaga.
Good morning. Good morning in...
We're
Wala
here
pa naman.
we are here in Lisboa, guys. This is Lisboa.
Lisboa sa capital of Portugal, no?
Yeah, this is the capital of Portugal. So we're gonna show you.
Then the beauty of Portugal.
Yeah. So this is it. Portugal. We are here in Portugal, guys. And this is their plaza. What do you call this place?
Plaza Comercio.
Plaza Comercio, which is the
It's like Plaza
Tourist.
Mayor in Madrid.
yeah, in Madrid. It's quite similar. You can see the area. It's quite similar. This is very similar, actually. Wow. Jigay, lalaki, tinan mo.
That's...
Tinan nyo.
ano ba yung sa
Look at that.
Poland?
Seagull.
Sa
Seagull.
seagull.
Seagull. Ang daming seagull dito. Sa Kawabshek. Marami ganyan sa Kawabshek. Ikot namin kayo. Yan. Hindi pa kasi it's only time check kasi late ng 1 hour ang Portugal sa Madrid. So tingnan natin yung oras. Time check, it's 8:29 in Portugal. And sa Madrid it's 9:29.